Welcome back to my channel Imaginator. In today's video, I will show you how to doodle Indian gods in Big Mouth. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Lord Krishna. First, draw a big letter U. Then inside, draw a big mouth. Then, draw two circles as eyes and draw another U on the forehead. Now, draw two lines below the head. The right side should be connected with a sleeping line which is then curved upwards, and now double the line. Then, the left side should be connected with a slanting line which is then curved downwards. Now double it. Then, draw a straight line like this and double it, but a little should be left. Draw jewelries of your choice. Now, draw another straight line like this and draw a rectangle below it, which will make a belt. Draw two flower petals like this. Then, let's make some puffy pants. Draw anklets and feet. Now draw some armlets and bracelets. The right hand should hold a rectangle. Draw 4 semicircles on the right side and 1 on the left side. Now draw some fingers. Then draw circles like this on the head. Next to that, draw 3 curved lines like this and connect them to the circles with lines. Now, draw an upside down L. Draw a flower on top of the lines, but some of the flowers should be cut. Then, draw a cute little peacock feather. And you're done. Color it the way you want, except the skin should be blue. Lord Ganesha. First, draw a half letter U. Then, draw a half S like this and double it. Then draw a big mouth and draw a circle inside. Draw 2 circles as eyes and draw a curved U on the forehead. Complete the face. Now draw these curves on the top and draw some fluffy hair with a bun on top. Draw these 2 lines as the neck. Now draw 2 curved lines like this below the neck. Draw 2 slanting lines. The right side should be connected to another slanting line like this and double it. And also draw a palm on top. The left side should be connected to a downward slanting line and double it. Now, draw jewelries of your choice. Then, draw a rectangle as a belt. Draw some puffy pants, anklets, and feet. Draw a modak on the right hand. Now draw a mouse carrying a modak. And you are done. Color it the way you want and add some finishing touches. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay in touch with my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.